First, we're going to need some Old Fashion oats. Then we're going to need some cinnamon, brown sugar. I'm using pure cane sugar, and I am using light brown sugar. We're going to use pure vanilla extract. And we're going to be using plant-based oat milk. If you don't have oat milk, you can use almond milk. You're going to need a 2/3 cup measuring cup. And you're going to need a 1/2 cup measuring cup. First, we're going to take our oats and pour a 1/2 cup of oats into the pot. Then we're going to take our oat milk and shake it, and we're going to pour 2/3 cup of oat milk into the pot. Then we're going to add a splash of vanilla. My guess, this is about a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. Then we're going to sprinkle in some cinnamon. Again, my guess is a 1/2 teaspoon or 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Then we're going to dust in some brown sugar. My guess, this is about a tablespoon of brown sugar. I honestly do not measure this because I make this so much. I just know what I like in it. I'm going to give it a quick stir, and then I'm going to let it cook on low for 20 minutes. Okay, so here's the finished product. I decided to add some strawberries. Next, I'm going to add a few raisins that I had already been snacking on. One thing I did not mention once it was finished, I did add a little butter, vegan butter, to the oatmeal and stirred it. Here I am adding some fire roasted cashews with sea salt, and if I don't have that, I use almonds. But here is the finished product. I hope you guys enjoy. Bye.